Hello, welcome to TV Room. David Bradley here. So, ugh, well, I've been a bit busy. Haven't got as much done lately, but I did get back to the garage to search through things. I did. So, if you remember, I was working diligently away on assessing 8 data sets. And then I went back to the garage and I was sorting through boxes. I was. Oh, look, here's some discs. Never used. Oh, here's a whole bunch of pictures I had developed some while ago that I need to look through. Oh, yeah. These are funky things. These are drawers. Not drawers. They're like things for a locker. You pop them on the metal and you can put pins in. I must see about sorting them out today. I'll put them there. Oh. And of course, I was looking through, I think I mentioned before, I was looking through the drawer. Another filing cabinet drawer, and I found, oh, look, it's a VIC 20. But what really surprised me was when I found a data set. And a data set. And a data set. And a data set. And a data set. Oh, no. No. So 5 more. One of them has had the cord cut off. Let me just see if there's any other data sets in here, and I guess there is not. The other thing that it looks like there's mostly in here. Oh, look. A joystick of dubious, well, I mean, it could work. The wires, the connector, not the connector, but just where the wires come dangling out is squirrely, but it may work. And then, what else is in here? Look, it's a gee-whiz printer interface. A Z-Tech Super Graphics printer interface. What's this one? A Z-Tech Super Graphics printer interface. A card with a question mark. Cardco printer interface. Another Cardco printer interface. Oh my. Another Cardco printer interface. Now this looks interesting. There's a little funny adapter. Oh, I guess this looks kind of like what you'd find on a lot of disk drives and things. What else is in here? Oh, it's another Z-Tech Super Graphics Junior printer interface. Oh, it's another Z-Tech Super Graphics printer interface. These, of course, were used to connect parallel printers to Commodore 64s. Here's a bag of wires. of assorted assortments. And here, it's a deluxe certified computer cassette from Tandy. I wonder if that means, oh, it's never been opened. I guess I'll have to bring it up. Oh, look, here's a book about the printer interface. Another book about the printer interface. Oh, no, look, it's the top of an MPS 801 printer. Anything else in there? Well, I guess that's all that's in that container. Needless to say, if I'm deciding I'm going to test these things and try and know what's wrong with them, then I need to test them. This cassette was $3.95. I guess it's a 20-minute from Radio Shack. I would be interested to find out if it is indeed a leaderless tape. And that I don't know the answer to, but I will, because I will investigate. I shall. Anyway, I do have to go back to the garage and search for more things. So what will I do with the data sets? Well, I suppose initially I will spray deoxit into the connectors. Not this one. Oh, I can't even move it. The cord has been snipped off. What else? Oh, I'll clean the heads. And then I will investigate using a known tape. Oh, that's something else I watched online. I'm going to go look for some of my VIC-20 tapes that were actually produced by Commodore and use them as a test tape, even though the tape I've been using I'm quite pleased with, but it wasn't produced by Commodore. So you never know if alignment things are off. And I'll look into alignment things. And I shall ponder. I shall. Anyway, so just as I thought my data set days and adventures were over, they're not. So, thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon as I continue to prepare for the world of Commodore, which is, of course, November 30th and December 1st of 2024 at the Admiral Inn in Mississauga, Ontario. Go to tpug.ca for more details. It will be glorious. It will be grand. It will be fun. It will be. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.